Well folks, today's treat from Hasty 9 comes from the go-kart track. The newly redesigned go-kart track by Robin Chester's Designs. First of all, we'll show you the pits. It's where the go-karts are kept overnight. And I'm going to show you around the track, the new Robin Chester's design. Here we go. The kids are starting to warm up now. You're maybe talking 1, 2, 3 miles an hour. Come to the first tricky left. You're slamming on anchors. There used to be a flower garden in there. It's gone. It's part of the redesign. Great innovation. Come through the gates, you've got to watch because you're only talking 1.2 wide. Go-karts are a metre wide. You've got to watch yourself. Take care, kids. This is for you. It's all safety. And we come to Devine Corner. Look at that. Tommy Devine's crafty work, yeah. Craft work, not crafty work. It's a crafty lad right enough. But anyway, we go along the straight. There are a couple of holes filled in here. This is where Robin's design. Oh, this is where Robin's design skills come into it. That was the original left turn. That was far too dangerous. Because by this time the kids are up to maybe 3 miles an hour. That's not good. This is onto the new redesigned track. We come up here to Lloyd's TSB corner. So named because 6 punters from Lloyd's TSB came out to give us a hand. 4 girls, 2 lads. Got to say lads, the girls are better working than you. It's just the way it goes. We come hurtling down here. We come in now up to the Elaine chicane. That's Robin's partner in crime, Elaine. Thought I'd give her a mention. She does a stalwart job for the Mill Farm. But I've got to give myself a mention here now folks. This is Hasty 9 Straight. So called because I filled in all the gaps. Look at this. The kids, they're bombing along here about 5, 6, 7 miles an hour. Death-defying speeds. There's a lacquer plate. I'll be getting used shortly. We've got to slam on anchors because you don't want to go over there. You don't want to go over there. You will crash right through the fence. You don't want that because we just built that. You can't take that chance. So there's a safety fence being built. We come up now to Brady Bend, named after Russell. He's been flying in the gaps this morning. I thought he deserved a mention. Brady Bend takes you back out onto the main track. We've got to fight our way through this folks. This is under construction. There's another big flower plant area. It's gone now. This is where Robin, his skills come into play. You can either take the left, hurtle right down the middle, or take the right. For this purpose I'm going to show you right. You're bombing along here. You've got to watch yourself here. That's only about 1.2 wide again. You've got to watch because you have to speed you 5 miles an hour now. You come down the corner, you belt it. There's another big flower pot. It's gone. It's gone. There's your lap. Your lap, if you're lucky, maybe take 30-40 seconds. I'm sure Jensen Button's kids were in here last week, just trying out. Jensen, get them up here, mate. You can come round here though. This is the extras. You've done your lap. This is a warm down. You can come round here, left or right again. Of course, you've got to watch there's not another car hurtling towards you. There you go. Oh, I forgot that's one way. It's one way. We'll have to redesign this area in here. We'll have to get the signs up. There's the gist of it. The newly redesigned Robin Chester's go-kart track. Straight from Mill Farm. Once again, bring the kids.